We know BC, the length here, is 18, which then clearly means this length is also going to be 18, okay, because it's a rectangle and opposite sides are equal in length, okay. So if you put that bit of information there, okay, we can also work out this length here of the height of this triangle, okay. It's just about some staring at the diagram for a moment, and you'll realise then that actually this length here has got to be 7 centimeters, yeah. And the reason why, of course, is the whole height of the shape is 28. The height of the rectangle is 21, which means we've got the gap then from 21 to the whole height of 7, yeah, because 28 take away 21 is 7. Now, when you got those dimensions in for the triangle, you notice they've given us 2 sides. We then just need to work out the third side. So for that, we'll use Pythagoras. And remember, with Pythagoras, it is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where c is the longest side, the hypotenuse, which is opposite the right angle. So we'll have 7 squared plus 18 squared is equal to c squared. So I'm going to type into my calculator, okay, 7 squared plus 18 squared, and I work that out and it comes to 373, which is what c squared is. Then to get c, of course, to get the length AD, which is what c will be, you've got to take the square over and use square root. So square root the answer, and I get, okay, well, I'll press the SD button and I get 19.31. Okay, so we can write those decimals down, okay, centimeters. And if you look at the question, it does say giving your answer to an appropriate degree of accuracy. But when they say this, right, appropriate degree of accuracy means looking at the context of the question, looking at the measurements, how they've given them here, and you notice they're all in whole numbers, aren't they? Okay, that's 28, that's 18. So they want the answer to be in terms of whole numbers. So we'll just round that then to the nearest whole, which will just be 19 centimeters. Okay, you can put that answer before, which is ideal. Okay, write a few decimal places, but then because it says appropriate degree of accuracy, it has to be in the context that we've got here. So round it to the nearest whole.